everybody, Sarah here, and today I have something just a little bit different for you guys. It's the Play-Doh Pack and Go Pastry Bakery. Now I got this at, oh hey Minty, how are you doing? Oh good, I was just about to review this Play-Doh Pastry Bakery set. Minty, those are some great socks you have on. Is that Pinkie Pie? Cute! Well, you have quite a sock collection going on. Do you want to stick around to help me review this Play-Doh Pastry Bakery? Okay, great. Alright, well, like I was saying before, this is the Pack and Go Pastry Bakery. This is actually no longer being made. I actually got it at a estate sale, and I only paid $1.50 for it. What's really cool about this is that it was made in 2001. So I am not expecting the Play-Doh to still be good since it is now 13 years old. But here's a close-up of the packaging. And then here is the back. So let's go ahead and see what comes inside. Ooh, this is pretty cool. Now everything still is factory sealed. It has never been used, which I thought was pretty cool. And here is our Play-Doh. Let's open up our Play-Doh and see if it's still good. I doubt it is. What do you think, Minty? Do you think it's still good? Yeah, I don't think so either. Oh, and nope, it's hard as a rock. But that's okay. I still have some more Play-Doh from another set aside, so just in case that was going to happen. So we'll set those aside and let's get some. Okay, we got some red color, we got some tan, we got some brown, maybe just make some chocolate pastries, and then we got some white. Alright, Minty, do you want to make some pastries? Okay, I'm going to give you some Play-Doh to work with here. That's pretty fresh Play-Doh. And then you go ahead and make some pastries, and I'll make some pastries over here. How's that sound? Okay, good. Okay, let's set these aside here, and I'll show you what kind of Play-Doh mold you get. Oh, this looks pretty cool. Different color designs. And it looks like you get a donut mold. This looks like a heart-shaped, maybe cake mold. Here's a really pretty, maybe pineapple upside-down cake mold. And another cake mold. And then you get a rolling pin, a knife or spatula, and you get one of these dealies, which kind of squeezes the Play-Doh out. So let's give these a try. well, here's what I made out of the Play-Doh. I definitely won't be winning any Play-Doh pastry awards anytime soon. But, Minty, did you make anything out of Play-Doh? Alright, let's look what you made. Minty, is that a sock? Oh, Minty, you weren't supposed to be making any socks. I'm sorry, guys. Minty's just been really obsessed with socks lately. Anyway. Alright, well, there's my review of the Play-Doh pastry bakery set. Minty, what's going on? Oh, you want me to put your sock on even though it's not a pastry? Fine. Alright, well, if you guys like the pastries and socks, please hit that like button down below. And thank you guys so much for watching. And Minty and I will see you in the next video. Thanks, guys!